Hi Arushi. Good
Hello.
afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm doing good. How about you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you very much. Okay, just a second. So, what have you been up to? This is the weekend. What are you going to do?
Yes, it's a weekend and today is just a lazy day. I don't feel like doing anything. Let's see
Hmm.
by the evening if I can make any plan.
Okay. And usually, does it happen that if you pass a lazy day, sometimes at night you feel a bit guilty that the day wasn't productive enough or you didn't do much? Does it happen?
Okay. So for me, I get 2 days off, like on Saturday and Sunday weekends. So if on Sunday I don't do anything, I feel like okay, fine, I have one more day. But if I repeat the same cycle on Sunday, then I feel guilty
Hmm.
on Sunday evening or Sunday nights. I feel like
Um,
I didn't do anything. So that's how
hmm.
it is for me. I deliberately don't do anything on Saturday because I really don't feel like doing anything. I'm
Hmm.
just too tired, exhausted in the weekdays. So I feel like I should just take a rest on Saturday, and on Sunday I'll do something.
Hmm.
That's how
Hmm.
it is for me.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we can say I'm exhausted, I'm tired, or we can also say I'm tuckered out by the time
I am
tuckered out.
tuckered out.
Tucker out,
Okay.
yes. So by the time I reach the weekend, I'm completely exhausted, I'm completely tuckered out. So I just want to rest
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Yeah,
Hmm.
absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
And in brief, could you also tell me a little about your job? What is it that you do?
Sure. I am working with an MNC. So my part is I'm in finance department. I have completed my studies in commerce only. So I took my job on the basis of my studies. So I am in like accounts payable basically.
Hmm.
Here we are responsible for paying vendors on time. So I handle multiple countries. So that's
Hmm.
about my job. I'm not sure how much
Hmm.
you know about finance. That's why I'm not explaining in detail.
Yeah, actually, so I took commerce for the 2 years of my high school, and after that, as you can see, I am an English teacher. So except for debit
Oh,
and credit, I know absolutely nothing about commerce, about finance.
okay,
So
okay,
thank you for not
okay.
going into the details. But yeah, I did understand what you said. Yes. Yeah, you said on the
Okay,
basis of my studies. Well, instead of studies, we could say on the basis of my domain or stream.
domain.
Yeah.
On the
For
basis of
commerce
my
and science,
domain.
yeah, we can use the word
Or
stream also, or
stream.
there is,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
For
stream.
commerce and science, we usually use like stream, and domain also refers. It's quite similar. It refers to in a way like industries. This is my domain, like IT. I work in the IT domain.
Yeah,
You can
yeah,
say
yeah.
that.
Right, right. Okay,
I would give you an extempore topic. We can start with that. Um,
sure.
the topic is everyone in this world is selfish and greedy, and if you are not, well, you are crushed like a bug in this world.
You are crushed like a bug.
In the sense that, yeah, yeah, you won't be able to survive, crushed like a bug. Of course, you can
Okay,
agree with the topic, you can disagree with the statement, agree with it, and comment on it. Take half a minute to think about it.
sure. Crushed like a bug. Okay, so everyone is selfish in this world. Selfish
Hmm.
only, right?
Yes, selfish and greedy.
Selfish and greedy. Okay, I am completely agree with the first half of the sentence that everyone is selfish and greedy. And if even not selfish, I would just stick with the word greedy because yes, everyone is greedy, and somehow I feel that you should be greedy, but that depends for what you are being greedy or you're greedy. Uh, I feel if it's for something you want to do for like um, if you want to do something for a long time and you're not able to do it, which means that you're not greedy. So in that context I feel greedy is a good thing. But if it comes to wealth and money and mm, things which is not count as positive things. So in that sense, greedy is not a good word. But
Hmm.
yes, having said that, I feel yes, everyone is greedy because uh, now we are living in a competitive world where everyone wants to go ahead of the other person. That's why being greedy is important. And if you are greedy, then only I think you will be able to survive. Otherwise, like the other sentence, you will be crashed like a bug.
Hmm. Crushed
So
like a
it
bug.
is, I think, yeah, crush, sorry, not crash, crushed like a bug. But I feel it's very strong sentence to say,
Hmm.
because it will not happen with everyone. If you can, if you have guts to survive, you can survive. If you will depend on others opinion, or if you want to count their opinions, then I think you feel like you are being crushed like a bug. Otherwise, it's totally fine. You can
Hmm.
be selfless, because I have seen people who are selfless and who are living a good life, so
Hmm.
it's fine. I think it's a very I have given very diplomatic answer, because it's a very sensitive topic, like selfish. And I think it's a mixture of everything. Like I have explained about greedy. If uh, for some categories being greedy is fine, for
Hmm.
some it is not. So
Hmm.
that's why.
Okay. Yes, the answer was very good. By the way, personally for you, what do you think? Do you think you are a selfish and greedy person, or do you think you are one of those selfless, altruistic people?
Okay, I am greedy when it comes to things I want to do. Yes, I'm greedy. I am greedy for so many things, but I
Hmm.
think that is not going to harm anyone. It is for myself. I'm not selfish. Yes, I am selfless. I mean, I am in the middle. I'm not even selfish, not
Hmm.
a lot selfless.
Hmm.
So I think I'm just fine. I don't know how to say
Hmm.
it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's correct. Yeah. So I'm not extremely greedy.
I
So I
am
don't. Hmm.
neither greedy, sorry, I'm neither selfish nor selfless.
I'm in the middle. Yes. So I'm
Yeah.
not extremely selfish as to harm anybody, but at times there are times when I understand like I'm not selfless either, completely selfless either. I'm not
Not
selfish.
completely selfless.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
Right.
Okay. Okay. The answer was very good. Just in the first 1 or 2 minutes, when you were explaining the different, well, we could say the types of greed, uh, well, the fluency wasn't there, but I've noticed that it happens with many of my learners just when they join into the session, because up until that point, they were thinking in another language, and all of a sudden, their mind has to switch to English. Well, at times, that fluency is just not there in the first few minutes of the session. After that, you pick the flow and you were able to speak, say it fluently. Yeah, so there's nothing to
Okay.
worry about. Hmm.
Okay.
Tell me.
I think what I observed about me is when someone asks me something, or even like, for example, that
Hmm.
extemporary topic,
Extempore
right?
topic.
Okay, so I wanted to like highlight on everything,
Hmm.
like greedy in a good sense, greedy in a bad
Hmm.
sense, selfish, selfless, everything. I wanted to cover everything, and I think that is the reason I couldn't explain things step by step. Like I
Hmm.
couldn't cover even a single topic well. I think that's how it happened with me. I think it always happens with me.
Hmm.
That's how I feel.
Yeah, in the previous session also we were discussing something similar, but I didn't find it then. Today I do see it, but yeah, I don't
Okay.
think you need to worry about it because in well, actually, you are supposed to take at least 2-3 minutes to organize your thoughts, and then you give your extempore speech. In these sessions, because we don't have that much time, we don't give that much time. You don't even have a pen and paper where
Right.
you could at least organize your thoughts. So that happens at times. You're just when you're starting, you don't know in which direction you want to take your speech, so it's very fine that in the beginning there's some incoherency. It's normal. But the all in all, it was the speech was very good. Okay,
Okay.
just
Okay.
a few corrections quickly. You said I am
Sure.
completely agree with this statement with the first
I
part of the
completely agree.
correct. Good. And uh, you know, if not selfish, I could stick with the word greedy. That is what you said. We can say in any case greedy. I agree with the first statement that everyone is selfish and greedy, or in any case greedy. If not selfish, at least they are greedy. Instead of saying like that, that I stick with the word greedy, we can say it like that. In any case, greedy.
Okay. Hmm.
So if they're not selfish, at least they're greedy, or we can say in any case they're greedy. Okay. And you said what you are being greedy. Well, after that you didn't put the preposition. What you are being greedy for or being greedy about. Well, that matters. That is how you classify it. And
Okay.
just one last thing: highlight everything. Not highlight on everything, but highlight everything. I want to highlight everything. I want to bring everything into limelight. We can say it like that.
Okay.
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 Today's topic,
Great.
whoever thought of it, is wonderful. It's very interesting. It's about blaming your pet. Are there any situations in which you could blame your pet? Do you think that this is a topic that resonates with you?
Uh, I'm not sure. Like, I'm not fond of pets, or I don't have pet. But while going to the topic, I have gone to the third or second page, that is prompts, and the
Yes.
third sentence I couldn't understand. What is that? If you
Yes.
have, so have you gotten away with it? I didn't understand this.
Have you gotten?
Away with it.
Okay, okay. I stole something, but my parents found me. That means that I didn't get away with it. To get away with something means that you did well, you committed a wrongdoing, committed a crime, and nobody found you. Nobody was able to blame you. So I committed a crime, I committed a murder, and the police didn't catch me. That means I got away with it.
Okay, you did it successfully. Like
Not
you
only
were able
successfully, well,
to.
committing a murder successfully would mean I just murdered the
Uh,
person. The person is dead. Sorry for that, but my mind always goes to murders whenever taking examples. I don't know. It's just all the detective
okay.
novels. But yeah, in any case, it's not successful. It's just that it just means that I wasn't caught. Whatever I did, I wasn't caught. I wasn't blamed for it. Nobody suspected me. So I got away with it. So I committed a murder and I got away with it. So in which situation was it, by the way? What is the
It
context?
is regarding the topic only. Have you gotten away with
Hmm.
it? And I was like, that is
Uh,
a separate sentence. That is the like there were three bullet points, and this is the
okay.
last one. So I think I should have.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. It is there. I do see it now. So yeah, we have like, have you ever blamed something on a pet before, and have you ever gotten away with it? So like, you blamed something, there was it was a lie, and if somebody had caught you lying, well, that would have meant that you didn't get away with it. And in case
Okay,
if your lie wasn't caught, that means you got away with it.
okay,
Mm.
okay.
So has it? By the way, why is it that you don't like pets?
No, it's not like I don't like pets. I am just afraid of pets. That's and I think I will not be able to take care of them. That's the reason I don't have any
Hmm.
pet. And yeah, a little bit. Mm, I'm hesitant. I don't know why. That's fine.
Okay. Is that so? So you also said that you are scared, you're afraid of them. Why is that?
Not sure, maybe phobia or something.
It could be.
And
And yes,
it happened with like it happened with all the pets, like a cat, dog. Uh, like sometimes it happens with people that they don't like specifically dog pet or cat pet.
hmm.
But for me, I think it's with every type of pets. That's what.
Okay. Is that really so? Because it's very surprising. Being afraid of perhaps one animal or two would be understandable, but you're afraid of cats, dogs, even parrots.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Parrots, I cannot say, but still, I can just say hello, hi from distance
Hmm.
only. I cannot
Okay.
just yeah go close to them and
Hmm.
talk to them. If they they make some noise. So
Hmm.
if they're making noise loudly, so I'm scared of them, and I uh,
Okay.
yeah.
And there is one point where they really start flickering their wings like that, just to perhaps because they're itchy
Yeah,
or something.
like all over
That
the
yes. And my goodness, that is scary. The moment you try to just touch them, they start
yes.
flicking their wings like that. And in that case, I also genuinely get scared. I used to get scared, but now I think I don't. But it's still,
Do
but
you
then
have a pet?
I don't. But my cousin does. He lives in Gurgaon
Okay.
and he has two parrots. And
Okay.
in the beginning, for all of us, it was a bit difficult. The moment they would
Mhm.
just start flicking their wings, we would all be like, ah, don't do that.